The Rio Palace Peninsula is an all-inclusive beachfront resort in Cancun's hotel zone, just a short drive from downtown Cancun. It offers 3 pools, a variety of dining options including Japanese and Mexican cuisine, and accommodation choices ranging from chic rooms to adults-only villas. For added convenience, the resort is located approximately 30 minutes from Cancun Airport. Guests can enjoy a relaxing or active holiday by the beach and pools at this luxury destination. We'll start off with the accommodation. The Rio Palace Peninsula boasts an array of room options to cater to the diverse preferences of its guests. With a total of 562 rooms, this all-inclusive resort provides a comfortable and luxurious stay. The junior suites, encompassing 40 square meters, come in various setups, providing 2 small double beds or 1 king-sized bed and a sofa bed in the lounge area. These rooms also feature air conditioning, a mini bar, a coffee maker, and a balcony or terrace. For breathtaking sea views, the Sea View Junior Suites provide the same comfortable 40 square meter space with the added benefit of an ocean vista. The superior Sea View Junior Suites are perfect for those who desire expansive accommodations with incredible views. For a more lavish experience, the Jacuzzi Suites encompass 70 square meters and boast a king-sized bed, a sofa in the lounge area, and a 29 square meter balcony with a jacuzzi overlooking the sea. For adults in search of a romantic retreat, the Villa Sea View Jacuzzi Junior Suites offer an expansive 60 square meter space with a sea view terrace and an exclusive jacuzzi designed for adults. These suites feature similar amenities, including the delightful terrace jacuzzi, ensuring a truly relaxing and intimate experience. In addition to these room features, guests can enjoy 24-hour room service and an all-inclusive experience that ensures a comfortable and convenient stay. On to the food. The Rio Palace Peninsula has gone above and beyond to ensure your taste buds are in for a treat. Let's start off with the buffet, where Las Olas restaurant takes center stage. Here you can indulge in a culinary journey, from breakfast to lunch and dinner. With themed evenings 3 times a week, it keeps things exciting. Feeling like a culinary adventure? Step into Kabuki, the Japanese restaurant, where you can savor delicious delicacies prepared with finesse. And if you're into fusion cuisine, Crystal is the place to be. Just remember to secure your reservation in advance for an exquisite dining experience. Craving Italian? The hotel's Italian restaurant is a culinary haven for those who love the flavors of Italy. For a taste of Mexico, Tamales, the Mexican eatery, serves up traditional dishes that'll make your taste buds dance with delight. If you prefer poolside dining, the Isla Mujeres a la carte restaurant offers grill and steakhouse dishes, ensuring a memorable meal with a view. The Sports Bar, open 24/7, ensures you won't go thirsty no matter the time. For a more laid-back pre-dinner drink, La Latina Bar with its terrace provides an ideal setting. Over at the pool, Trinidad, the swim-up bar, caters to the adult crowd with a variety of refreshing beverages. For an extra special dining experience, the Culinarium is the go-to spot. Imagine a romantic beachfront dinner exclusively for guests staying in the adults-only deluxe villas. And if you want to enjoy a drink by the beach, the beach bar with a terrace awaits you. And don't forget to satisfy your sweet tooth with a visit to Cappuccino, the patisserie and ice cream parlor. With these diverse options, the Rio Peninsula promises a culinary adventure that caters to every guest, making your stay in Cancun truly unforgettable. On to the fun. Enjoyment is the name of the game at the Rio Palace Peninsula, and the diverse range of activities and entertainment options cater to guests of all ages and interests. With 3 inviting pools in the same area, you'll find yourself spoiled for choice. There's a separate shallow pool for children, ensuring the little ones can splash around safely. Nearby, a bar serves up refreshing drinks and snacks all day. The Sun Terrace is lined with plenty of comfortable loungers and parasols for those seeking relaxation. If you want a break from the sun, a shaded seating area with cushioned wicker armchairs provides a cozy spot to unwind. If you're finding this video helpful, check out our new ebook in the description for valuable tips to make your trip stress-free. The hotel boasts not 1, not 2, but 4 outdoor pools to choose from. Whether you're soaking up the sun on the ample Sun Terrace or floating in the pool, you'll have plenty of loungers and parasols at your disposal. For the younger guests, there's a dedicated paddling pool where kids can enjoy their aquatic adventures in a safe environment. The hotel's entertainment program offers a spectrum of activity, from high-octane shows and live music to more relaxed options. The Rio Evening program provides a variety of shows and live music daily, ensuring evenings are filled with excitement. Rio Land, designed for children aged 4 to 7 and 8 to 12, is packed with games and activities to keep keep the little ones entertained. And for the adults, Rio Party offers theme parties at the neighboring Rio Caribe Hotel several times a week. With the Caribbean Sea right at your doorstep, water sports are a big highlight. You can try thrilling activities like kayaking and snorkeling. For those who prefer the sand, they've got beach volleyball, and Rio Fit offers group fitness classes. For a change of pace, there's even the option for billiards or scuba diving with a free introductory session available. If you're keen to dive deeper, lessons take place in the pool, though these come at an additional charge. Whether you're seeking relaxation, water sports, entertainment, or family fun, the hotel has you covered with a wide array of options to ensure your stay is packed with unforgettable moments. You'll also have access to a range of health and beauty options to enhance your relaxation and well-being. The Renova Spa provides a menu of therapeutic massages, facials, wraps, and scrubs, allowing you to indulge and pamper yourself. It's a haven for self-care and rejuvenation. For those who prefer to stay active, there's an adults-only gym equipped with everything you need to maintain your fitness routine. After a day of activities, the Whirlpool Bath offers the perfect opportunity to unwind and relax. The warm water and soothing jets create a tranquil atmosphere, providing relief for tired muscles. These health and beauty options ensure that your stay is not only enjoyable, but also focuses on your well-being and relaxation. And quickly, before we get on to the honest review, we highly recommend exploring our exclusive ebook below, thoughtfully crafted for our viewers who are planning an all-inclusive resort visit. Our objective is to enhance your vacation, reduce stress, and help you maximize your trip by providing valuable insider knowledge for the ultimate stress-free vacation. Now, on our channel, honesty and transparency are our guiding principles when we assess and recommend any destination. Upon researching the Rio Palace Peninsula, we discovered that it boasts a remarkable 4.5 out of 5 total score on TripAdvisor, signifying an excellent rating. For your convenience, we typically endorse results with a score of 4.5 or above, as these indicate a high level of satisfaction from fellow travelers. The feedback on this resort is overwhelmingly positive. Guests have raved about the fantastic entertainment options, exceptional staff service, and the abundance of delectable food offerings. These aspects undoubtedly contribute to the resort's stellar reputation. However, in the spirit of transparency, it's essential to acknowledge that a small number of guests expressed concerns about noise disturbances throughout the day, which affected their ability to find peace and restful sleep. It's crucial to note that this group is in the minority. It's possible that their expectations didn't align with the resort's ambiance, as Rio Palace Peninsula is known for its vibrant atmosphere, parties, and lively entertainment. If you're seeking a serene and tranquil retreat, this may not be the ideal choice for your vacation. Despite these isolated concerns, the vast majority of guests have described their stay as excellent. Ultimately, your experience at Rio Palace Peninsula will depend on your preferences, and we strive to provide you with the most accurate information to make the right choice for your next vacation. That's it from us for today. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more daily travel videos. Thank you so much for watching, and happy travels!